Here are the 8 craziest raw and alive foods you won't believe people eat around the world. Would you dare to try any of these? Number 8. Dancing shrimp, Thailand. Dung Ten, which translates to dancing shrimp, is a popular street food dish in Thailand where live baby shrimp are served in a spicy, tangy salad. The shrimp are mixed with lime juice, chili, fish sauce, herbs, and onions. The shrimp's jumping is triggered by the acidity of the ingredients, making them dance. Diners eat the shrimp while they're still moving, enjoying a mix of crunchy texture and fresh, zesty flavors. Number 7. Live coconut worms, Amazon regions and Vietnam. In parts of the Amazon and Vietnam, coconut worms are eaten alive. In Vietnam, it is eaten alive by dipping them in fish sauce or chili sauce before popping them into the mouth. The texture is soft and creamy, with a rich, nutty, buttery flavor that surprises many first-timers. Locals value these worms not only for their unique taste, but also for their high protein content and supposed health benefits. Number 6. Oysters, worldwide. Raw oysters are eaten alive, with the oyster still clinging slightly to its shell. Though they don't visibly move, they are alive when consumed. Fresh oysters are plump and briny, served with lemon, vinegar, or hot sauce. Chefs ensure the oysters are alive by tapping the shell before opening it. Eating them alive preserves the freshness and natural ocean flavor. A live oyster can survive for several days out of water if kept cool. Number 5. Yin Yang fish, Taiwan. Also known as dead and alive fish, Yin Yang fish is a dish where the fish's body is deep fried while its head remains alive. The fish is then plated with its head still gasping and eyes moving. The fried body is crispy and served with sauce, while the head moves as diners eat. It has been banned in many places due to animal cruelty concerns. Number 4. Drunken shrimp, China. This dish features live freshwater shrimp soaked in a strong liquor. The alcohol stuns the shrimp but keeps them alive, and they are eaten while still wriggling. The shrimp are often served in small bowls with the liquor, and diners pluck them out and pop them into their mouths. Some believe the alcohol disinfects the shrimp and enhances their flavor. It's a popular delicacy in certain parts of China. Number 3. Live lobster sashimi, Japan. Lobster sashimi involves slicing lobster meat while the lobster is still alive, with the body often placed on the serving plate. The tail meat is arranged beautifully while the lobster's antennae and legs continue to move. The taste is sweet, tender, and briny. Often, after the sashimi is eaten, the lobster shell is used to make miso soup. Number 2. Live octopus, South Korea. Sanokji is a famous Korean dish made from raw, live octopus, cut into small pieces and served while the tentacles are still moving on the plate. The dish is typically seasoned with sesame oil and sesame seeds, and diners carefully chew them to avoid the suction cups sticking to their mouth or throat. Though some find it extreme, it's a beloved traditional dish in Korean seafood restaurants. Number 1. Ikizukuri, Japan. Ikizukuri means prepared alive, and is a controversial sashimi dish. A live fish is filleted and arranged on a plate while its heart still beats or gills move. The fish's body is often left intact, with its mouth opening and closing, giving the appearance of life. It's served with soy sauce and garnishes for dipping. This dish showcases extreme freshness and is mostly served in high-end restaurants.